Story: The Night of the Lamination Alarm. 1. Beginning of the shift. At 8 p.m., Minh, the production supervisor, began his night shift at the FFC factory. The production line was running smoothly. Lamination, bonding, punching, and soldering machines were all operating in sync. Each operator stood at their workstation, wearing safety shoes and clean uniforms. Suddenly, a red light flashed on the laminator's panel. The alarm sounded. Something was wrong with the lamination pressure. 2. The lamination problem. Minh rushed to the lamination area. The display showed unstable lamination temperature and low vacuum pressure. He quickly checked the heating roller and pressure roller, but the release film was wrinkled. "Stop the lamination process," he shouted. The operator immediately pressed the emergency stop button. Minh lifted the lamination sheet and saw delamination and bubbles between the copper foil and polyester film. 3. Investigation. The maintenance engineer arrived with a multimeter and digital caliper. He measured the thickness of the lamination sheet and checked the temperature controller. Everything looked fine, but the alignment mark was off. A case of misalignment. They opened the lamination record and found that during preheating, the pressure gauge had dropped below the specification. That caused poor adhesive bonding between layers. 4. Soldering and continuity test. To make sure the cables were still good, Minh asked for a continuity test. The quality inspector used a continuity tester to check each line. Several pieces failed due to open circuits and short circuits. At the soldering station, another operator reported a cold solder joint. The soldering tip was dirty with flux residue. Minh ordered cleaning with isopropyl alcohol, then performed reflow soldering again. 5. Punching and cutting trouble. Next, the punching machine made strange noises. The punching mold had worn out. The punch pin and guide pin were misaligned, causing burrs and miscut edges on several cables. The cutting tolerance exceeded the specification, creating a cutting defect. Minh decided to replace the die set immediately and recalibrate the cutting machine. 6. Final inspection and recovery. After repairs, they resumed production. The visual inspection showed no more wrinkles or scratches. The electrical test results met all specifications: proper resistance measurement, no open or short circuits. The sampling rate was increased for safety. All results were written in the inspection record, signed by the quality control team. 7. Packaging and shipment. At 3 a.m., the repaired lot passed final inspection. Workers carefully packed the cables using anti-static bags, desiccants, and humidity indicator cards. The carton boxes were sealed with sealing tape and labeled with lot numbers, barcodes, and delivery notes. Before shipment, Minh verified every pallet and completed the shipment inspection. The line was finally safe and stable again. 8. Ending. As the sun rose, Minh looked at the quiet factory. It was a tough night, he thought, but every defect, every specification, and every inspection matters.